Hello and welcome to the 4-week keto meal planner. This is week number 1, keto snacks. So these are the ingredients that are going to make up your keto snacks for week number 1. There are 3 different snacks and we'll have a look at the first one now. So the first snack is the faster snack and it's crunchy peanut butter and a stick of celery. There you go, brilliant. So this is your second snack, red gem lettuce, and it's just going to be a lettuce, cheese and ham wrap. I'll show you do that now. Cooked ham. You're able to use any cheese for the lettuce wrap. So you can use a bit of spread cheese and you would use it just like a sandwich. So you put your spread cheese on and then again you put your ham on top, maybe a bit of salt, and again, good to go. Okay, so your third snack of week number 1, and this is going to be keto bread, and this is going to be made with coconut flour. So we start off with 1 egg into a cup. We have a pinch of salt. We have 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. It helps if you drop some on the counter as well. 1 and 2. We want 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. This is about that. Then we need extra virgin olive oil, and that is 1 tablespoon. And then finally, we want 1 tablespoon of double cream, heavy whipping cream. So once we've got all our ingredients, we whisk it all together. When that's mixed together, it should look something like that. Let's tap the bottom of it, and then it goes into the microwave. Taken out of the microwave, it looks a little like that. Let's give it a tap. It's hot. That is our coconut bread. So you want to slice it into about 3. Week 2 keto snacks. This week, chocolate chip cookie. Okay, so a real quick one this week. This is chocolate chip cookies. So it's 3 ounces of almond butter, already weighed out and in the cup. Pinch of salt. We want stevia, just a tablespoon of that, and then we're going to get our 85% dark chocolate. I'm going to add that in as well. This is handy because it comes in these size packets already, which are just perfect for this. So we'll just break that up a little bit, pop that in there. And then finally, we want an egg yolk. We don't want any white in there, because it will turn into an omelette. So we're just going to mix all that together. Then we're just going to pop it in the microwave for 20 seconds. 20 seconds later, the chocolate's melted slightly. You can just give it another bit of a mix around. Then again, just pop it back in the microwave for about 40 seconds. There we have it. Week number 3 snacks, and this is keto flatbread. There's a sweet option and a savoury option also. First we take 40 grams of coconut flour. We want 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk and then just half a teaspoon baking powder, and we're just going to mix that together. So then we take some water which has been microwaved for about 30 seconds or so, just to mix the dough together. This recipe will make 2, so we're just going to split that in half. So we're just going to leave that for 15 minutes in the fridge. So here we are, 15 minutes later. The dough ball has been in the fridge. I'll add the salt, which we should have added earlier. About a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we're just going to mix all that together again. I'm also going to add just a tablespoon of almond butter. Let's add some salt, a tiny bit of coriander, about a tablespoon of cream cheese, then some onions and chopped tomatoes. Okay, so we've got our bowl. Bread. This is week number 4 keto snacks, and this is keto ice cream. Okay, so for our keto ice cream, we've got fresh double cream, that is 300 milliliters. We've got stevia for sweetening, we'll need 2 tablespoons of that. 2 eggs, but we only need the egg yolks. We have some almond extract for flavouring, and the 85% dark chocolate. This is a 25 gram bar, and that's what we'll be using. So the first thing we need to do is we need to empty the cream into the pan, and that's going to be heated until boiled. Okay, so we add 2 tablespoons stevia, mix that in, and it's important that you bring cream to the boil very gently. So once that's been brought to the boil, turn the heat off. We take our bar, we'll just add our chocolate in there, and we'll just blend that in. And what we have to do now is wait for the mixture to cool down. I like almonds in mine, so chocolate and almond goes really nice together. So I've weighed out 50 grams of almond nuts. I've also separated the eggs to just the yolks, because we don't want the whites, otherwise we'll end up with ice cream omelette, which is not great. Just a teaspoon of the almond extract, whisk that together. About 20 minutes later, I'm just going to add the chocolate mix into the eggs and the vanilla extract. After all that's thoroughly mixed together, we can add our almonds that we've chopped now also, and just give them a bit of a mix, just to spread them around. And that's it. All we do now is pop it into the freezer for about 2 hours, and that should set. Obviously I've used chocolates and almonds because they are the flavours that I like, but you can use this with other flavours. I've tried it with salted caramel and orange as well, and it's equally as good.